Hey, what's up, guys? Carlos here with Bulls of Crypto. Just wanted to do a quick overview on one of the last videos that I posted up about District. I did say that there was going to be a small pullback if we closed above this little area, which we did here. You do see the pullback here, and it looks like we're starting to move to the upside. This may be a continuously bullish move. We may hit this little 25, maybe even 30 area. I do see a possibility of us hitting this 28.9599 area. We'll see what happens. I mean, so far it's a good move. Again, that same pattern is still playing out, that inverted head and shoulder. Um, and as mentioned in the last video, we are at the extremes, but that really doesn't mean anything with crypto. So I'm excited. It's painting out. This coin, this project in general, District0x, DNT. I think it's extremely undervalued. Supply and based off supply and demand. If you do a little bit of research on supply and demand, I won't give too many gems, but if you do a little bit of research on supply and demand, you can definitely see that this project is undervalued. They are currently working on a couple different projects. One of their projects is called ETHLance. I'm a huge fan of that. ETHLance basically helps people or programmers or really just anyone in the industry of blockchain trying to find opportunities. And I'm a firm believer in if something provides someone else value and it's bringing and circulating, whether it's currencies, whether it's money in and out of the market, you're already starting to bring value. So ETHLance is starting to give opportunities to programmers. They'll start getting paid, and eventually ETHLance will continue to grow. But they also have something called Meme Factory, and they are creating something called districts, which are decentralized marketplaces in the industry. Um, huge fan of DeFi in general. So I'm excited. We'll see how this plays out. Again, trade at your own risk. All these concepts taught are for educational purposes. But if you found any of this information useful, smash that subscribe button. Make sure to share, like, comment, tell a friend. The only way we can grow together and you don't miss that bull run is to share this information. Again, if you found it useful, tell a friend. Until next time, thanks for watching. It's Carlos with Bulls of Crypto, and I'm out. Thank you.